You've got mail.
And a half.
Listen up, Country Club. This is what happens when you don't have any friggin' room and you're unorganized as crap. You forget a piece of mail that was supposed to be in the mail thing for this today, that came out today. But you forget. So you know what? My wife had a good idea. I'm going to do a addendum to the mail. And I'm going to give a shout out to the man that sent me the mail. He gets his own mail thing Thursday. Okay, and here it is. And the reason I know who this is from is, for one, he asked me after the video came out, hey, did it not come in? Well, sure it did, and I had to find it. But I knew it was from him because on the front it says Walter Gray in EY, and he knows I hate that. So this is from Buttercups, Mr. Robby Mac. So we're going to open this up and see what Mr. Robby Mac sent me. Better be careful. Better be careful with this. Oh, and I almost cut it anyway. Let's get this in here. Mr. Robby Mac has sent me some Capricorn Tuban. And I knew it. And it fell off the back of the packages, and it was laying right there, and he called me out, and I'm like, oh, I forgot it. So you got your own mail. This is episode 9.5. So now I'm going to stick this together. I'm going to stick it out. And Mr. Robby Mac, you get your own mail thing Thursday. Thank you, sir, for the Capricorn tubing. I apologize so much for forgetting and well, just not having it done, man. Come on. You know, all of y'all are great, and I've tried my best to get stuff done. I am tired of having to do voiceovers and that type of thing. So I'm going to set it up so I don't have to worry about that anymore. I know that y'all think they're funny, but they're getting to be aggravating to me. So thank you, Robby Mac, for this Capricorn tubing. As soon as I finish with the stuff on the TiVo Little Monster, this will definitely be going on that. And well, that's it. And listen, there won't be no little ending. We're not going to the next. This is Robby Mac's episode, and it's his alone. Thank you, Robby Mac. I appreciate it, my friend.